Hey guys, what's going on? This is CyrusSo.com and GetFresh.com, and today we are presenting you the top 5 reasons you should absolutely check out Michael Jackson 1 by Cirque du Soleil. Obviously, reason number one is because it's Michael Jackson. If you know anything about music, you absolutely know MJ is the number one pop icon. He's up there, even I would say ahead of Madonna and people of that stature. So, second biggest reason is because it's in Vegas. So, if you love the Las Vegas lifestyle or just having a good time and kind of getting away from your ordinary 9 to 5, pack up the bags, especially this fall, and check out Michael Jackson 1. Third biggest reason is because if you've never been to a crazy, wild show, or even if you have, the Michael Jackson 1 Cirque du Soleil is mind blowing. There's live action, acrobatics, flips, all types of craziness happening at once. The fourth biggest reason is because if you're a big fan of spectacle, or if you have friends and family that are with you on this journey and you want to show them a good time, what better way to bring them to an MJ themed inspired event with his greatest hits? And the fifth biggest reason is because it's going down at the Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino, which is, of course, in Vegas. So, in addition to seeing this crazy, amazing show, you can have some fun, if you're old enough, at the bar and at the casino. So, again, the top 5 reasons you absolutely should check out the Michael Jackson 1 by Cirque du Soleil.